Get ready and start. It is also crucial that the prosecution failed to prove initial demand by the appellant on 15th July 1998 stop. There is hardly any material on record to prove the said claim of the complainant stop. This factor also adversely affected the prosecution case, which the trial court completely failed to appreciate while passing the impugned judgment and order stop. Apart from this, on the basis of the same material, the trial court had held in favor of the wife of the appellant, finding that it was probable that she had in innocently picked up the newspaper for reading and that therefore it could not be said that she had abetted the commission of offence by the appellant stop. If she was innocent in touching the newspaper, the appellant had not even touched the newspaper in which the bribe amount had been placed stop. In this context, failure of the prosecution to place on record the written explanation sought from the appellant on the date of trap assumes significance to the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the appellant is justified in relying upon the judgment of this court in the case of Bismillah Khan, Snob, Sarla Pathan, the relevant portion of which reads as follows to. However, there is one more important circumstance, and that is the statement to be found in the post trap Panchnama to the effect that immediately after the trap was sprung, both the accused were asked by P1 Dhok and they have their version regarding acceptance of money stop. It is the express prosecution case because which can be found in the Panchnama that the version given by accused was reduced to writing and signed by the Panch as well as P1 Dhok stop. The contents of what was mentioned in these two writings was not found in the Panchnama as those were separate documents stop. However, for reasons best known to the prosecution, these documents have not been brought before the court in the trial stop. The Punch examined as well as PW7 Dhok, but do not utter a single word about this first version given by the two accused in writing immediately after the trap was sprung. Stop. This circumstance of suppressing the first version as given by two accused according to him is a very important circumstance which raises a shadow of doubt about the veracity of the prosecution case stop. The duty of the prosecution is to bring the entire truth as found before the court stop. It appears to me that these two vital documents have been kept back from the trial stop. In my view, in such circumstances, these writings were evidence which could be produced and which were in the hands of the investigating agency and which could have been produced as evidence in the court but was not produced stop by virtue of section 114 of the Indian Evidence Act. The court would be entitled to presume that had these documents been produced, they would not have favored the prosecution, which had withheld these documents too. Useful reference can be made to illustration stop.